Today we're going to be doing a really fun science experiment. Today we're going to be learning about chemical reactions. For this experiment we need a tablespoon of baking soda, a funnel, a spoon, a balloon, a bottle, and half a cup of vinegar. Okay guys, step 1 is to carefully pour the vinegar into the bottle. Very good, everyone. Now our next step is to put the funnel through the balloon and pour in the tablespoon of baking soda. Now that this balloon is filled with baking soda, we have to keep it around the bottle's neck. Around the bottle like this and slowly pour it in. Wow! Well guys, we found a new way how to blow up a balloon. You guys must be wondering how this happened. It's because vinegar and baking soda are different chemicals, and when they're mixed together they make a gas, and that gas over here inflated a balloon. Isn't that exciting? So if you want to do more fun science experiments like this with me, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!